super excited to be here today to announce Steinlager's ongoing sponsorship of Emirates Team New Zealand. So Steinlager's been involved in some of yachting's most iconic moments and famous memories for about 33 years now, and it's really exciting for us to continue on with that legacy.
Well, 33 years we've had the brand Steinlager involved. First of all in Perth, the New Zealand Challenge when it all began, then that famous win in San Diego in 1995, and now in Bermuda just under 2 years ago with Emirates Team New Zealand.
The trophy belongs to New Zealand.
There's a couple of times we haven't won when we haven't had the brand Steinlager on the boat, and that all bodes well for the defence in 2021 because Steinlager is back on the boat.
So I think it's going to be one of the most exciting events on our sporting landscape over the next couple of years. I think the country will really get in behind it, and I think the place is going to be buzzing.